Hey guys, today we're working on this 76 F150. We're going to be replacing the fuel sending unit that will hopefully fix the fuel gauge. This one I got from Rock Auto. It's got a retaining clip and a seal. So the first thing we're going to do is take out these 3 screws here and get the tank unbolted from the filler tube, and then under here get the spare tire carrier out of the way. Under the truck there are 2 metal straps going across. These are 9/16 bolts with 9/16 nuts. There are 4 of them, so I'm going to take this strap off first and then we'll take off the other one. While I've been loosening the strap bolts, he is undoing these hose clamps for the filler tube, because this is a solid piece and it won't go above the frame and below the bed. So you've got to undo these 2 tubes, pull them out, and then pull the rubber tube that's attached to the tank out with the tank. At the front of the tank, closer to the cab, there is a plug right here that's the sending unit, a ground right here that has to come off, and then the fuel line that goes to the front of the engine to disconnect. Once you get the tank out, then we can take off this hose, clean up the dirt around it, and pull off the ring that's holding the sending unit in. So when you got everything cleaned up, you're going to hammer on these 4 inner tabs and get that ring off. And pull it out. Just gentle with it. Oh, well that's why the fuel gauge didn't work. There's no float on it. That would do it. Alright, with that cleaned up and the new seal put in, the new sending unit can go in. Try and make sure it's oriented the same way it came out. And with that in, put your ring in the same way you took it out, just hammering the other way until it hits these stoppers right there. And put it all back the way you found it.